This is part 2 of my DIY Christmas series. I made a wreath and a tree using old CDs. So here are the materials: cardboard, old CDs, marker and scissor, glue gun, string, ruler, and of course you need to use your old Christmas balls and your old Christmas ribbons. So you cut the cardboard according to the size that you want and CDs that you have available. You glue it like this. This is how it looks at the back. Of course, you need to put the string because we are gonna hang it. Just make sure it's sturdy, okay? Then I glue the gold Christmas balls in the middle of the CD. I'm using the colored part of the CD because believe me, all these CDs are not working. These are unreadable, all of this. And I left out this certain CD because that's where we are going to put the ribbon, okay? So now you can put in and add in other colors that you like, but for this wreath I only wanted to use the gold ones and the red ones. So see, I left out a part of the CD that can still be seen and shown because I want my wreath to be more colorful. And now I will put the ribbon in the middle and voila! That's my Christmas wreath. Simple yet elegant looking. This I really love. So the materials are cartolina, old CDs, old Christmas bells, Christmas star that you put in your Christmas tree. And I made this big star from used CDs as well. And of course, you need to use a glue gun. Okay, so you just glue the CDs according to the shape, like a Christmas tree. And then you can glue in the stars and your other decorations that you have available. I ran out of stars. I only had 6, so I made use of Christmas bells for the bottom part. You can be resourceful and creative in order to come up with your own design, right? I put beads all over the Christmas star, and don't forget to put the string because you need to hang it as well. So there you have it. Love, love, love. I really love this one. Thank you for watching. Mwah. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for new videos. Thanks for watching. Bye!